Imagine building something people actually pay for, and your total startup cost is zero. No credit card, no software bills, just curiosity and a laptop. Every week, people are quietly launching tiny online businesses using nothing but free tools, and they're replacing their paychecks one subscription at a time. Not by coding, not by pitching investors, but by stacking a few simple tools that talk to each other. Today, I'll show you how to build your own $0 startup stack. The same tools creators, freelancers, and solo founders are using to turn ideas into income without spending a dime. It's not theory, it's not hype, it's a full-blown startup stack that costs zero to use. Let me show you how it works. Start with Notion, your brain's control room. You can plan, organize, track, and manage every idea there for free. Most people use it like a fancy notebook. Smart people use it to design businesses before they exist. Next, when that idea starts taking shape, you'll need to show it off. That's where Framer comes in. It's not code. It's drag, drop, and done. You can build a landing page in an hour that looks like a $10,000 design studio made it. Got an idea for a small tool, app, or something interactive? Enter Glide. Glide takes a Google Sheet and turns it into an app. No coding, no stress. You change a cell, the app updates instantly. It feels like magic, but it's just free software doing the heavy lifting. Need visuals that make you look like a legit brand? Use Canva. Everyone knows Canva, but few use it like pros. Mockups, thumbnails, pitch decks, and even product demos can be done in minutes, for free. Then, when you're ready to actually show your idea to the world, connect everything with Tally, a form builder that's smoother than Google Forms and doesn't make your page look like homework. Collect emails, feedback, or even early signups before you've launched anything. And when you need to send that first "We're live" message, use Kit's free tier, previously ConvertKit. It's made for creators. Clean, simple, no spammy vibes. You write, hit send, and reach your first audience instantly. What you just built with zero money isn't a project. It's a prototype, a mini business, an engine that can start generating income before you've spent a single dollar. This is the part that flips everything we were taught about business. You don't need to risk savings or take loans. You just need free tools and a clear idea of who you're helping. 10 years ago, this would have been impossible. You needed developers, designers, servers, and startup capital. Now, you need Wi-Fi and some caffeine. And that's why there's a quiet movement happening online. Regular people, not techies, using free tools to test ideas, launch side hustles, and create small streams of income that add up fast. A college student uses Notion to organize local food trucks, then sells access to the map for $5 a month. A stay-at-home parent uses Glide to build a neighborhood babysitting exchange. It becomes a local hit. A designer builds templates on Canva and Framer and earns more from downloads than client work. None of them paid for software. They paid with curiosity, and it compounded. That's what makes the $0 startup stack so powerful. It doesn't care how much money you have. It cares how much initiative you're willing to spend, because the real gap between you and your first business isn't cash, it's simplicity. And free tools remove every excuse to wait. You can sketch an idea in Notion today, turn it into a real prototype in Glide tomorrow. Put up your Framer page over the weekend, and by Monday, you could be collecting your first email subscribers. No investors, no coding, no fear of wasting money because you didn't spend any. People always say, you need money to make money. Not anymore. Now you need creativity, Wi-Fi, and a $0 startup stack that's sitting there waiting to be used. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. Not when you have savings, not when you feel ready, when the internet gives you everything you need for free. The only thing left to invest is effort. The people who build the next generation of businesses won't start with funding. They'll start with a link, a free account, and an idea that refuses to wait. So, what's stopping you? You already have the tools, you just need to start stacking them.